Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I'm a bit nervous about this, so I might say stupid things in this video. I'm not a professional traveler. I have traveled only few countries so far, let's say 6, 7 countries, I think. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Malaysia. Here I'm in Singapore. I'm working here. And tomorrow I'm gonna cross the land border for the first time. I'm gonna show you that how I'm gonna prepare for that. I'm going for just 2 days. It's not a long trip. I'm planning a long trip like next month to a bigger country. So it was one of my dream. The things I'm gonna take with me tomorrow is basically this is backpack. I'm gonna take only this one, no other bags, because it's 2 days. I don't have to bring any different clothes and everything, so this will be enough. First, the main thing is my camera. I'm gonna bring this camera with me. This is a 5-year-old Nikon camera, so I'm only taking pictures with this. I don't record videos with this. This is not a really good camera with the videos, so I have the cover and the camera. Take this one with me, and my stabilizer and a small tripod for that stabilizer to take some panoramas and all, and my GoPro to record 4K videos with this, and I will be recording together with my mobile and with this GoPro for videos, and especially a charger. You will need this, and in a tropical country like this, so you need this one to go out. The cables and everything, a watch, like let's say it's not that expensive, so I don't want to get robbed because of the expensive watches. So I'm gonna take this one with me. It's a cheap watch, and some clothes for 2 days: 2 trousers, 1 short, and undies and a shirt. That's all. And especially the visa. I don't know which country you are from, but I had to get visa to enter Malaysia. So I had to go to the Malaysian embassy, and get visa. So maybe you don't need that. So it's the passport, and so that's it for my next trip. I'm gonna leave tomorrow in the morning, so we'll see you in the morning. Okay, yeah, here I'm outside my house, so I'm heading to the station. So it's 7 a.m. almost, so I have to take 2 trains and go to Bugis, and from there I'm gonna get into the bus, so we'll see. Okay, I had to walk around 200 meters to the railway station. Okay, here I'm outside the Little India MRT station, and I have to walk around 300 meters to the Green Street. From there I have to take a bus to Woodland. I have walked a bit longer, so it's too much. So I think you can get down from Bugis MRT straight away and then go to Queen Street. I took the wrong path, so I worked around 600 meters, so to about 200 meters to go. Alright, I'm in Queen Street now, so here I can see few buses and there's a small queue there. Since it's weekend, so many people are traveling from here to Johor, and I had to get tickets from here. People say it's around $2. I'm in the bus now, and I got a ticket. It's $3.3. Bus will leave in 3 minutes. Okay, it's time to get down. I think from here we had to walk to the immigration counters. I don't know, people are working, I'm just following them. I've just went through the immigration and it took freaking 2 hours. There was 2 queues I believe, and now I'm going toward the city.